Transform your home with realistic Norfolk pine stems from N&T Knitting. When you pull these Norfolk pine stems out of the package, the first thing you'll notice is how real they look and feel. Each branch has that natural shift from light green to dark green, just like the real thing. And the best part, they actually hang like real needles. Soft, elegant, and effortless. If you've ever struggled with holiday decor looking flat or fake, this is your solution. These 24-inch stems are bendable, so you can easily tuck them in a wreath, drape them along your mantle, or even pop them into a vase for a simple but gorgeous centerpiece. And because you get 12 in a pack, you'll have plenty to work with, whether you're decorating one room or your whole home. Another win, you don't have to stress about them drying out, crumbling, or making a mess. They're waterproof, durable, and ready to handle indoor and outdoor setups. So go ahead and style your stairway, your fireplace, or even your porch without worrying about wind, rain, or constant cleanup. The realistic design really elevates your Christmas decor. You'll feel like you've added a touch of nature to your home without the fuss of real branches. And trust me, you'll love how timeless they look. These aren't just one-season wonders. They'll be a go-to piece in your holiday decorating box for years to come. So if you've been looking for an easy, affordable way to make your home feel warm, inviting, and festive, these Norfolk pine stems are it. I styled this beautiful Christmas vase, but I also put some of them outside in my flower bed. Amazing.